Hi everyone, JohnnieDroneFlyer. It is Sunday morning, and I just took the Nano Plus up for a short flight, and that's with the new dampeners. And I didn't put it on my big screen. I did put it in a computer. So see what you think. I think it seems a lot better. I'm not sure if there's a little jello or not. I'm going to put it into the big screen TV later tonight. Did just want to put this short video clip together. And yeah, you can see when I get to the softball field, you can really see the wind was really blowing. I will say the little Nano Plus actually did really good. You can watch the flags on the softball field. So hey, thanks, and appreciate you stopping by, and see what you think. Let me know in your comments. Thanks. All right, guys. As you can watch, as we get closer to the softball field, you can really see the flags blowing in the outfield there. So, yeah, the Nano Plus actually did really good. About 25-mile-an-hour winds, maybe even a little stronger. Yeah, I will say coming back, it did did have a little tough time. I did have it in ludicrous mode coming back after I got through shooting. So, see what you think, and thanks for watching again.